In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact form in Joomla 5. Whether you're new to Joomla or just looking to refresh your skills, this guide will walk you through each step of setting up a fully functional contact form on your website. Let's start by navigating to your Joomla dashboard. Once you're there, look for components, then go to contacts, and finally select contacts from the drop-down menu. This is where you'll manage all your contact forms and details. Once you're on the contacts page, you'll want to create a new contact, so go ahead and click the new button. This will open up a new window where you can start entering details for your contact form. In the new window, you'll see a field labeled name. Here you'll input the name you want to appear on the contact form. This could be the name of a department, a person, or even a friendly name to give users an idea of who their message is going to. Next, find the email field. This is important, as any submissions from the form will be sent to this email address. So make sure to enter the correct email address that you or another team member actively checks. It's crucial to ensure that this email address is monitored so that incoming inquiries get timely responses. Now, for additional details such as a phone number or address that you might want to display, locate the section below the email field. Adding these optional details can provide users with alternative ways to contact you, which can be particularly useful for businesses. A really important step is to link a Joomla user to this contact. By doing so, this user will be the one who receives all email messages submitted through your form. This helps centralize communication and ensures someone is always responsible for managing incoming messages. Once you're satisfied with the information you've entered, click Save and Close to create your new contact. This saves all the details you've input so far and closes the window, taking you back to the main contacts page. Next, we'll connect this contact form to your website's menu. Head over to the Menus section, then choose the menu where you'd like your contact form to appear. Click New to create a brand new menu item. For the menu item type, select Contacts and then Single Contact. This tells Joomla that this menu item will display the contact form you've just set up. Now select the contact form from the list. You'll see it appear ready to be linked to your menu. The last step is straightforward. Simply save this new menu item. By doing so, your contact form is now accessible on your website through the menu, making it easy for site visitors to reach out to you. And that's it. You've successfully created a contact form in Joomla 5. This is a simple yet powerful way to enhance communication through your site. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more Joomla tutorials.